Hi, Pearl Sanchez here, and we are discussing the sheep brain. Hopefully this is better. I didn't have enough light on. I put on some extra light, so hopefully we'll be able to see this here. We'll just jump right into it. I'm going to reference my list so I make sure I don't forget anything on the list that I need to identify. So we have the frontal lobes here, the parietal lobes here, temporal lobes there, and then the, hopefully I'm pronouncing this correctly, the gyrus or gyri are ridges on the brain, and you can see an example right there. And then the sulcus or sulci are the kind of like the grooves. So an example would be, sorry, one here. Okay, the longitudinal fissure was where we cut it down the middle to get the two halves, the two hemispheres. The lateral, so let me correct that. We cut it down the middle, but the I'm struggling here. Longitudinal fissure was right here. Right there. I showed you the underside of it, which was incorrect. Apologies there. Lateral fissure is going to be on the side here. I'm struggling to keep it together. Where is it? Here. Here. Separating the temporal lobe from the parietal and frontal lobes. Let's see, the corpus callosum is right in there, right there. And then the thalamus, and then the hypothalamus. This is really difficult to show. It's okay. Midbrain, medulla oblongata. Hopefully that was showing. I didn't check. Medulla oblongata. The cerebral cortex is it's lining the thin layer here. White matter can be seen right there. And then the meninges is what we cut off. Let me see if I can find any that's okay. Hold on, let me grab the other one. Apologies. But it's that we cut off during the dissection, but you can see a little bit here. Apologies if that was not my best job at pointing them out, given the fragility of the specimen, I guess, that I have here. But hopefully that was okay. I think that's it. Thank you so much.